This is the third Match 2 online class for 8th standard of Bahrain Baptist Academy. We are continuing the same chapter, which is construction of quadrilateral. And in the last class, you learned how to construct some angles like 60, then 30, 90 degree, 45 degree. So this is the third type of construction. And in this type, we will be given 4 sides and 1 angle. So the types of this construction is S, 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 A. S 4 times and A. 4S stand for 4 sides and 1A stand for 1 angle. So there is, in this type you learned how to construct the quadrilateral when 4 of each size and 1 angles are given. So straight away let's go to the question. Here is the question. Construct a quadrilateral PQRS in which PQ is 5 centimeter, QR is equal to RS is equal to 6 centimeter. Here QR and RS are equal, so H1 is 6 centimeter, PS is 4.5 centimeter, and angle P is 60 degree. So before we start construction, you draw the rough sketch of this quadrilateral. Here quadrilateral is a PQRS. We draw the rough sketch without measuring PQRS, and we write the given lengths. PQ is 5 centimeter, QR is 6, then RS also 6, PS is 4.5, and angle P is 60 degree. So our construction will based on this. Now we start the solution. Steps of construction. For this type, the first one is to draw base. Base here is PQ. So first step, we draw PQ is equal to 5 centimeter is drawn. Now let's draw PQ, which is 5 centimeter. Exactly 5 centimeter. You can see there is PQ, which is 5 centimeter. This is PQ. The next step, we have now PQ. Then what could be the next step? Now let's take up the second step to construct this angle, which is 60 degree. And this angle is angle P. Then at P, angle QPX is equal to 60 degree is constructed. So at P, so far we have PQ. So the name of this angle is now we name as QPX. QP, we draw one ray and then we will name it as X. PQ, PX 60 degree. Now you already learned how to construct 60 degree. Just construct 60 degree at P. For that, we take P center and we draw one arc. Then taking this center, we draw another arc, cutting the first arc. Then joining this, we get an angle whose measure is 60 degree. Now draw this ray longer and we name this ray X. Now this angle is QPX. This angle is 60 degree. The next, step number 3. From ray PX, PS is equal to 4.5 centimeter is cut off. If you look at the rough sketch, we have drawn PQ, we have constructed this angle P. Then now let's try to get PS. And you can see the length of PS is 4.5. The length of PS is 4.5. So now we'll try to get this PS, whose length is 4.5. So you can do this in 2 different ways. You can simply use scale, or you can also use this protractor, compass. 4.5, measure 4.5. It is 4.5 as you can see here. So taking this P center, you cut the ray. taking P center, you cut ray PS at one point. This point is S. Then now PS length is 4.5. The next step, we have step number 4. With S as center and radius 6 centimeter, an arc is drawn. Now looking at the rough sketch, I think you understand for which line, which size we are going to draw now. With S as center and radius 6 centimeter, an arc is drawn. If you take S center, look at the rough sketch. If you take S center now and radius 6 centimeter, we are going to draw for SR. SR length is 6 centimeter. So here step number 4, radius is 6 centimeter. And for this we have S. So far we don't have R, we have S. So we take S center and draw an arc whose radius is 6 centimeter. So measured is 6 centimeter to draw an arc. You can see this is 6 centimeter, this radius. Taking S center, here is S, we draw an arc. One arc is drawn. Then next, step number 5. Step number 5 is with Q as center and radius 6 centimeter, another arc is drawn, cutting the previous arc at R. Now which one is left? We already draw PQ, then second we construct 60 degree, third we cut for S, then next we draw for SR, the next one is for QR. To do this, we don't have R so far, but we already have Q. So we take Q center, radius is 6 centimeter, we try to cut the previous arc. Again, let's see. This is 6 centimeter. Now taking Q as center, we are going to cut the previous arc. Q as center, draw an arc, cutting the previous arc at one point. And this point is R. Then the last step is to get a quadrilateral, we need to simply join QR and RS. Join them. We join RS. Also we joined QR. Then we get a quadrilateral PQRS. You can verify the given length and the given angle. You'll get accurately. So this is how we construct quadrilateral when 4 sides and 1 angles are given. Then let's do one more question of different next type. The next type is type 4. Construction of a quadrilateral when 3 sides and 2 included angles are given. Here SA, SA, S. S and A are not consecutively repeated. You can see after S, A, again after A, S, again then A, S. Altogether we have 3S and 2A. 3 sides, 2 angles. But these 2 angles are included angle. Let's try to understand the meaning of included angle. Once we take a question, I'll explain you about these included angles. Then for this type 2, let's take up one question. Here the question is, construct a quadrilateral ABCD given that AV length is 6.5 centimeter, BC length is 6 centimeter, AD length is 5 centimeter, angle is 75 degree and angle B is 90 degree. So like the previous question, draw rough sketch. We draw rough sketch quadrilateral without measurement, rough quadrilateral ABCD, and in this rough sketch level the given size AB 6.5, so AB length 6.5, then BC 6, AD is 5, angle A and B are 25 and 90 degree. Out of the three given size, now you can see two angles are also given. Three sides and two angles. Here the two angles are called Y included angles, two included angles. And you can see these two angles are made by the given three sides. One side, two sides, three sides. Their length are given, and these two angles are made by the three given sides. So these two angles are called two included angles. So for this type 2, we will first draw the sides which have or which touch the two given angles, that is AV. So the first step is AV is equal to 6.5 is drawn. Let's draw AV, which is 6.5 centimeter long. This is for AV, which is 6.5. As you can see, starting from 0 up to 6.5. We name this as AB. Then for second step, you have some option. Now in the first step we draw for AV. Second step can be construction of this 75 degree or this angle be 90 degree. But the second angle we have written here is at A, angle BAX is equal 75 is constructed. That means we construct this 75 degree at point A, and we name this angle BAX since we don't have D. So now actually in the previous class I did not tell you how to construct 75 degree, but today you learn it. So at A we are going to construct 75 degree. So first construct 90 degree at A. This is for 60 degree. For 90 we draw another arc, and here one more arc. Joining this A and intersection of last two arcs, if we join them we get 90 degree. This angle is 90. But now as you can see, starting from here to here, this is for 60 degree, and from here to here is for 90. So starting from here to here is another 30 degree, because 60 plus 30 is 90. Now 75 is 15 more than 60 and 15 less than 90. That means for 75 the second ray will be between these two. Then we have to now bisect 30 degree. We have to divide 30 into two parts, then we'll get 15 each. Then starting from this side 60, if we take another 15, then we will get 75. Then now see how we bisect this 30 degree. For that you take this center and this center and draw two arcs. Here I draw one arc. Taking this center, I draw another arc. They intersect at this point. This ray is AX. Now you can see this angle will be 75. If you want, you can measure with protractor. Stock on for 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and this ray is between 70 and 80. Exactly in the middle between 70 and 80 there is this angle is 75. So that is how we construct 75 degree. Then the next step number 3, from ray AX, AD is equal to 5 centimeter is cut off. Now you can see ray AX, we are going to cut for AD. The length of AD is 5 centimeter. So step number 3 is from ray AX, AD is equal to 5 centimeter is cut off. So to do that, let's measure 5 centimeter degree. It says 5 centimeter with a compass. It is a compass, a scale, 5 centimeter. You can see it is 5 centimeter. So with this radius, we will cut the ray AX at one point, and this point is D. The next is to construct this 90 degree. After the 90, we will cut for this BC, which is 6 centimeter. At B, angle ABY is equal to 90 degree is constructed. Now at B, the name of this angle is AB. Since we don't have C, we call ABY. And you already learned how to construct 90 degree. So we will construct 90 degree at B. Taking B center, we draw a long arc. Taking this center, we cut the second arc at one point. Again, then we continue drawing arc. I'm not going to explain every step because you already learned in the last class. This ray is Y, BY, and this is 90 degree. The next step, we'll cut for this BC, which is 6 centimeter. From ray BY, BC is equal to 6 centimeter is cut off. Six centimeter. Taking B center, cut arc BY at one point, and this point is C. Now the last step is to get a quadrilateral, we need to join C and D. So last step is CD is joined. Let's join them. We join CD. Then as you can see here, we get quadrilateral ABCD. And angle B is 90, angle A is 75, and you can also verify the three given sides. Thus ABCD is the required quadrilateral. That is how we construct quadrilateral when three sides and two included angles are given. So in this class you have learned how to construct quadrilateral of the two different types. Accordingly, here we have two types according to the given data. The first one, 4 sides and 1 angle, and the second type you learned today is 3 sides and 2 included angle. So 2 questions will be given for you to practice as homework of each type.